Radio. I told me the other best map somewhere. And that's so a da when Yakupon a dear chain. I just phone you from cousin through because you said www.holyhillsradio.com, your champion station, and now when Yakupon doing a homo born in Shirano is streaming live for her. My bravo program no Echoes of Grace. Say Isaac Pinto, CEO of Holy Hills Radio and Pacho, no air control machines, no MIA. As a Casadutavia, producer of this wonderful program, Echoes of Grace, streaming live from Reynoldsburg, Ohio. There's the Lord's doing and marvelous in our sight. Very soon we introduce you a very wonderful personality and then having a good conversation. The last time I buy and Crawford NJ papa. As a matter of fact, one of the best listen to program I interview I didn't pay YouTube, you know, to send Nipa and a share. And I have a can't be brave, you better touch on different topics because you're a man of diverse talent. You say be brave, I say guess say why ask some and I can. Ask me cause can ask some no ube hu nipa kon ye can. The last time I'm interview no me bra Ankasa friend from Houston say yeah pastor we interview no papa wa bre wa sorry no papa we thank God for his mercies, for his kindness. What a mighty God that we serve. The person me wish me a sister marry someone and round who ye fe papa. The last born, I worry and marry someone now, Mrs. Mary Emisa. I can't believe that we are missus. Susana, when you meet me, a dear money, young woman. May God bless you and your husband. And because and two things are two things are happening and the Odipa Yabe interview no Nina home. And our picnic is here. And that's also and I inaugurating East Assembly. Because of the breakdown, you baby, I thought the guess Odipa American Assembly. Maybe Kyle say one day we were face to face with Onyankopon. Okay, but quite na you really feel say yeah, dey nyina ye nkai say one day you bears it. When you move to Kwanya na move drive or highway so abehu no bia is it 23. I abehu no bia is it 72. No bi so dey we animu obi ane na is it. Obi bears it. Obi no bet you must stay 270 so say forever. Obi bears it too baby. Who is it? No, is it saying? And then person you're drinking your cry and then thought for the day. One day you are going to exit. That's someone who can open person over can. Remember, no can I didn't know no more. Fact is, one day the individual no the individual will move back. It's going to happen. Of course, our topic about people so you anymore. They are comfortable will be buno. I don't hear. For instance, here was 1958. Also, actual 1958-2015. Actual 58 in a who here. 2017 and who here. Dash in a show no day. I don't know someone. Then never pay a interview me. Yes, such a great man. Is the one that show. Believe you me, say one day, it will be a continuity. Yeah, Adina, Yankai, na Yamputi, Adina in perspective. na you say one day I didn't hear no accountable in just about 2 minutes. A year elder Bafo, a former assistant PMM, or the whole of US, or survey 6 years. February and an term ended. I'm going to some young commercial estimate. They are channel cry. So I bring. I say, I'm saying, Miracles on my coin. Former presiding elder of East Assembly. The originator of Columbus, Ohio, a picnic, and Raya. Mama Diana Frey Uniana Frey will be Nakachene, so joining at www.holyhealthradio.com. Actually, I will join them, but Monday and after will be. Definitely on your super duper radio station, your champion station, Holy Health Radio. Now, maybe I will be. We are all over the place. You're on YouTube, you'll tune in. We are everywhere. You can check us out also on www.holyhealthradio.com. CSP Kofi Saponya Minchra will be interview Thursday. Feedback in your NHS, I want for energy interview and Holy Health is still making impact for Jesus. By Friday, you remember date, Daughters of Glorious Jesus, the evergreen Daughters of Glorious Jesus. Confirmation in actually say by Friday evening and you be interview. I know saying also about something else. Ada, akwaba nyamishrao. Yeah, say we ja o heavy schedule ho near be oh yeah, family man and everything. Now fi wa ba join e wo ha. Ye gidi say Onyankopon e de fi adom e ko adom. Na say man afa to the more unyi kwa the more na about 13 about let's say 15 years ago I'm in Nimo no. Yeah, about 15 years ago, I'm in Nimo. So now it's out you. Oh, yeah. 17 years. 17 years. That much of security there. Yeah, yes, he is good. Yes, yes, Papa. Yeah, holding is. But the boy be very wow. Yes. Wow. Yes. Now, this week. And now we bring and I mean, meaning also no which like a picnic we Columbus picnic, meaning very well say from the scratch crowd make I time out here and for and baby baby do which like oh yes. Me free New York about Columbus, Ohio 17 years ago. Me buy no if I me in New York PMM. That was PEMF. That time near friend PEMF. District assistant district leader. And a move we free New York bar Columbus, Ohio. If you drew na me Columbus Central PEMF leader. And in Munana, me buy an chakra na be bass in your media. I give it to me Kumaso. Submit my nipa boom. I be first way by ye. You say bit my council. I saw na boom near the my picnic. And the idea no ye ne benfo bi to agina and on my home coin. And the yami and say a cocoa silver cup. Cassia and I'm a Ghana kente. It be bobo.
cap no na me ko see that time no African market na o hapa ibrekum kese na o Columbus Brakobra and me ko see ho kire da sorry ye sha ase na ya sorry N9 Pentecost Assemblies of God Presby and Apostolic and ye sha ase ye share date no ye ko sha ase the first picnic no na nya agro ipa ba bontin yie ema bryce ye pon no na intimompon the police for crab park no so and be pam ye helicopter nam sro no mo hwe organizer ye which was me di ko I be faso e be boama nipa na pie di eno na ye sha ase 17 years ago di amfia dodo amedi no Columbus no sa na pikek na di nti afi bia o mbaka se ye be ye the 16th 15th 14th picnic na se amfia na madia no this year 17 this next year yesu ama na yetim koma na se ye ko 18 as amfia medi no Columbus no.
Wow. But it looks like I'm saying when shut down for when she will be
yes, no crapa.
So one hour patron also.
And I be by him so kind, I'm say me had the minutes of me patron. Yeah. Only 4 years in the min share that and call home papa bia. Me bompa yes I been at the year no there be a bit mama nipa ababe shiem. I love it but it do baby yeah community it do baby na so twon ho fi ne ba bi kakra mu nipa yana ya minim excuse me in Ghana for ne abibire man free Africa it do baby na ye pushi ya ho me mpesa me ade a me ya me hu se obi ni me pereso bia no hu me wo ho kra me pesa me jama kra na matwem nti be 4 years ni me share that and call picnic because so this is ase no ni baby aye dey ko no am say nipa bi no pese e hu so omo de buy it's okay say wo unim 17 years yi unim ni amaye wo ho nti no me pese madam yi see you as a quinto oga say osini a unim ye no oni obi mpre ho time mo here o say so be boa obi be hu no ye be fro. Wow.
Now let's come to East Columbus COP and also so you're very instrumental pa me kai say those days na put another idea na shas here na me ne and me bra Alex Omwa Sister Felicia and ni kunu and Mr. Apia na me wa
Joe Apia
yeah that was it and I shas here. And then, how do you feel? I'm now inaugurating as a district. I did a chance here near Kobe Fee Koyeno. And then to point a district now who feel listening.
Yeah, the Edmunium Yina Manyame. Niawoke and net day I inaugurate Columbus East Side District. Ya mentions our names in via names now Bobono. Ya moba crowd or better Nina ye Edmunium Manyame. Because why ye be? Sanya wa woni so Columbus East Side Assembly so the 17 years because 17 years and also me back Columbus then so nyame de sa dwumadi no to yakoma so say me me yire yenhwe Sister Felicia champion otuko so Atlanta ono so na yire na New York nti tema otu free New York no back Columbus na yenso ye adwunse ye betra Columbus no o ka kire yi prince me yire mayentra north side ye mra east hono no ti east no no ti onsi ye ba anya me bebo am yetima anya aso no bi wo east and ye tie na sem a ke se ye de ba east betra east side east side of Columbus nti enmu no and share cells as in fact ye buy no na cells no so ma hye biase e wo inside the pen na entimi anyina nti na brother Joe Apia na yiri sister Paulina Apia mu fie no mo ye cells no on so ni mo wo New York nti ya approach o mu ni o kasa say ya ba e be say hye ni anye yi ne be say ye bo ho pa ye ni nyina ya sam chef frase just say almost be a movie Punomaya, it Mkoshasi. The old kind of sanity.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Now, so far, no, let me ask, so far, no, I saw in the sense from the time I beginning, beginning and be seen, correct assessment of the church is how do you say it?
Oh, I saw no conanim. A conanim Nanyame, I had dum bibri, on say, sirs, you could share first time Nikushiano. Eda Sumwa, then brother Sumwa, brother Alice, sister Frisia, Nini Krum, Mr. Champon, Joe appear in a year, Paulina appear, brother Cranton on the other years, other than a year, and a meme year, and ye shall see. Now, as my one was in Yame, the moon, papa. The young one said, Satam not so for, and the donko, and no groomer. On no New York. Ya sha say na first Sunday ye ko hia wo fie no sister Paulina ne kru fie no na pastor Andy ka chem so okọ Cincinnati satam na Cincinnati de Columbus na one district ntina papa no ko ho no aba no ka se men ko hwe say no so sa da na nwumre enti ne amam hu se nyame hu aso no se ye nyina ye de akoma ekro yes ye ya aso no bituma ye kese no se Oba na obisa me say asor no sales no yakwa ene sisen am so papa nipa madodo nipa ye ba ebe 6 na nso madwene me say yankopa baabi yankopa asondan ana se school dan bim ebe boa ma yaso ye sales na yakese ntem o say atem brother ofre me eja o say eja na nipa ma efe na ko hwa asondan am so Papa, me woni ntia me kasa na so dia sema. Na me chie no so. In fact, ya ko fi ho no, o ma gie fefefe. Na dia o mu se o mo parking space mienu. Nti parking space mienu so ukotena sales no se mo do so a, ma gi nkrofo so parking. Nti obi ba oba be boprum na ai se abufu ni adade. And secondly, ye Ghana for so bi duru ba bi a ye wura nua bi fie. Ono mma na sunu ato na de mpabo bi ko tietie o mkapet na da no wa on feel fine enti madwem se yenya ba bia eye suku bi ma na asoro bi mu a ebe boa ma nipa ani age ho aba timi kan no so a good idea eni em ko hwe bi na mde mo hwim is side of Columbus and yemen asoro ni school I want them ho bia mini ba bia
wow
a che senyame ya do mi ko nya bu refugee road a ele sha se kakra ne I could do to say. Amen.
Actually, we did one comment to do. I'll say Ebenezer Hemen says we have only one entry onto this earth from our mother's womb, but we will have two exits for everyone from this earth, either the narrow passage to eternity or the broad way passage to hell. Live your life with trust, believe, prudence, and fortitude with God, and you will exit well to Christ. God bless you, elder. And I mean, who say Michelle Champon so here, me sister Mary so here, and more I'm here inAmisha Mubibre. Michelle, God bless you so much. Yeah. Now let's talk about a year pemem no. What end February.
Yeah.
Nah, no, why we have to say pemem no. I be doing Columbia year US pemem so far.
Pemem no. Me I kasa me meku no de manage home from day one am we Pentecost. Na meti ye amsada me ka kire won so ma ka kire T4 da meti ye ma nipa na o sha ase wo America ha no ye frɛ no da tieku fa no ye sofo e wo asori bi man sana o ba Pentecost nti o ba Pentecost de no ye elder no broken assembly meti ye ma me ni hia ona na on de sha ase nti me nya kwan ene no enante kakra fine nti me meku ne de yes, some 6 years, me did 6 years as assistant. No? Yes, some council meeting. No, Apostle I was a Jew there, watch a word, no papa. Time no, we did 3 years. Next, you know, we 3 years, then a review for another 3 years. I mean, empty, I who so much home, they say, me executive member chair, national executive member, me community. Maybe share much executive member no me regional leader if you are executive member and some very assistant national leader Nti so you be a follow the abon some chawa dream pa. But they ba ko a me sempen fo na say mesre nipa nyina say like you say me term soon February no this year it make say me ko Father's Day no be dru no see a national you know omunya nyim free me say me na me kra omu jacket ne tie na nyina ma omu but apart from that the bibia no we ka so your former yinti brana oni me discuss kra and they are there insida yanya ne sa yam fro nti wo bibi kra wa adwuma na aka wa adwuma
aka wa adwuma
yeah system no do free mu a na o free mu ala ko ya but nyina ye bompa ye ta achire but very lucky for me and also for the assembly I'm one also no last month or so the leader of my local PMM no at Henry Kwanzaa oni mranti no bi organize no ba me fie so at least so be chia me na bibi kakra mi nim bia no me so me ka kiro oh we had a nice meeting so nyame boana niema toto afi ne nya fofoforo nyame boana niema toto na mo start say o mo ye niema plans ya de group papers na oh papa Columbus East Assembly peme be kona nim papa me gili di pass Jesus maya hodene enkwa wodi obehu because the way on in crop on approach him some person ba that's how it should be me that's what I think so be ya adibi da
our ideas
nyini mfiri adie mu pepe yeah but the way otimi nya do and in crop on ba ya ne trans we had a nice meeting so nyame bona American no say Jesus amma na ni aye trans dwindwin na se me so metinkom ni nyina ye de boaboa o Columbus East side me anya me nwa se you say nya another assistant national leader free Columbus East side anya me nwa kura am gidipa
wow
yes
yeah my uncle like church as a universal and then obeti that time I'm so maybe say kakra obeti you say na sorry we also for we say today bia otimi bi foforo and then I would say a year the cause of it looks like say too much of issues
so see asofo for mo fan cheme bet binimu abefra mu so see it seems say asori bia baby a opesika ntama ofa ho abanyeska sisia aye business intino grofo piepie omo ho se grofo piepie omo bia person na sorry so bi kra ba asori bi mu a nse so be di so fo panyin achi no ono person nya kwan ye ne di ententente no so nya nisika na me hwe ayi bi nura Ghana web so for be gina ho no ke se o check cars sa the cars so we know the car we go fie no Yaman Toyota Highlander new one ke se papa me say no ye business so say nkwaje nwadwuma ne ye anti amase say dia adona yehu asora nkasa de say kire mimum de say nyame ayi ni padum ye wo tapes so wontum nkenkan kura ye wo bible no tapes bia with my kan ye otwi de ne wo brofo bin de kakra mituma kan se nipa se sia de se nipa sua de mo wa nya time na bible no de unim nkenkan kura de tape no tobia na da she no tie ni a yesu ba sa asisu ne obeye na de apere onkwaje ho wa ye onkwaje ho adwuma because you see so ka se who din ya asofofo nkwan ye ma wa papa wa mfe ya yeah
and you know like you feel say because the pass so and chedanya and cherepa you know they almost fall easily
say no ahocha ba wiase no nipa wire free ni nyankopon say nyame betima ma wa o ye hia ni aho kire ne no obetima bie kwan bi ama wadi yie kina enti so bi di na ada asem bia ba nipa fo so mi nkodi akiri na ebesi mi yie ama nipa wire free ni nyankopon ena nyankopon so sabi papa se na ado am so minister se bi no ka se jai asɔre da bia ni party asɔn dam nipa mpɛ sɛ bi ɔbɛyɛ adwuma sɛ me no ka sɛ mabie me no madamfo bia new company cleaning company ye nya mpaebɔ ye bɔ mpae bet ye wa adwen sɛ cleaning company na ye bie no nyame bɛnam so am ye diye nya sɛ bia da bia kɔhyɛ baabo ye kɔhyɛ asɔre dam no ye bɔ mpae ne mo mpae na ye ntua na mom bia nipa pɛ sɛ nyame hyira na bra ai sɛ nyame magiki bi no en na ekunya no papa
and it's like nkofo pray omo ho
nkofo pray omo ho apese omo diye miracle nyame mfa sika mfiri ba bi mra which is I don't know bit to see but nyame ntanye sa
wow I'm say ayi auntie say wa me mama Mrs Joyce Omuwa o here live from Ghana also maybe someone so for on mama na God bless more so when time na more here you can about that so for so you can about the followers like what you are saying is because I'm on for and share that also in Bible munti no easy to be manipulated.
Yeah.
I mean why?
You know, and yeah, fact one fact. Na say no. Ye me hu ni say asori kura mu na Kristo asori ankasa kasa kura nipa bi di ni ma bi wuram. Like yamfa asori na ye kan east asafo. Yamfa nya ye asori ye ti asori ana nipa boabo nipa no de asori si baby anya nipa na asori o so me east side assembly ye kan ho asema si awo kan ho bia sha ase CEO azike kan ho ye no anya ye asori o ye de nyame na me so
that's right
and the buy but when since one hwe ye na so one transit and tobo pa nipa so wo mu anhwe mbe pia okra se Frimu kura nti esa nipa ni da ho se niam bi koso nipa e ko hia wa Sunday so se bi brother eda ye nyina na ye Christopher
yeah bi
bro sama she da nipa bi no pa da be wura adnum this one hu niam na mu ayi a wan hwe ya o ni aba so ye bia na ma anya
right na ya kan sa so na like young people mobile sorry ni mo so na say e bi so pray o mo ho bi o ha pools ne nema e de na young people mo wa so ni so de na ba ka kire o
see young people no there
that's o mo pray o mo ho
anyo me so o mo pray o mo ho better nsem ne bebre o so free young panyimfo no young people ba asori mu a say nema ye koso no as obia pese hu no position obia pese ye mani bibi so
yeah
but the nyinsa nyamsom eno fa ban no enya ni no pillar no nyamsom nye position be say eno so na ye pre ho se obia pese onya favor da bianim pese onya favor so fo anim sa no ama minim se no de be ko heaven so when I don't know enti youngsters no me de ma yin so omo hwe omo nyankopon akiri kwan bible no mo sua bible no mo ninyi bible no akenkan ne mpaebo so mutumi je sa wo say sofo ni ho a still now you okay wo de sofo sabi wo sabi wo de sofo yo nyankopon a papa moi enti omo tro mo bo no mo sua ade nyame adom omo de omo be duru kro yi mu bibia wa ha to omo sua de no omo bo omo mpaye a omo nyam so kra be das ne ye de no ko so ye adwuma papa nya fi na wo ko tu ala sabia wo ko tana wo office kra di wo tama ye de kan bible kakra nti me de kakra me ka chom so omo ntro omo bo na omo mro omo ho ase na omo mhwehwe ni pa omo peni in favor omo panyame ni favor first nyame no be bo omo.
Wow. Now, we nipa we experience in almost every area. Like you are an all-round person who organize. Since when I say organize, who started organizing maybe or brabum because they be a come be near kasa. Yes, hey, and then go where they wow. Be a fab, be organizing. I saw how now we first had started sell the omoba. The kind of this Getty and friends.
Yes.
And then where your Senate good sisters then can home. And I have to say how you are length, no.
I don't na me last week na Tego sisters for omo birthday me kura de na me wura fi na me phone no friend ti me na so for Reverend Johnson so ware panyin no no asane eja of friend me eja bo modran na ye video bra o sisters na me fa ko na Saturday na me Sunday me fa ko asore na me fa ko surprise omo me yin screen so no bia hwenti to tell them something na me ye a video come on na me come on oh papa me say Monday they called me and they were very very happy okoye adom but nipa edu baby so na nipa ho ye nipa hi se maybe me shadan ko hu obi se secret se enemy nye bibi baba akoma eda mi mu no before say do akoma me hu obi a metum ko di panchen me ko di panchen so nyame am favor say nipa so ebe jeme nti it's like stars adam bi na me kachiro stars na your network so onim ba ko a say daughters awaka so me ba Friday mo ho no mo frame say daughters be ba that was maybe 4 months ago no mo say August daughters be ba nti omba say me hwe ba bia me yi get ri obo say Diana me su so patient yeah or America before obe drew America no na ya mama numbers ya me kese ya bisa mba bia betim dina call ni ade mama frefra asofofo bi no ne o makasa enti me kra me ninhia ya safna me no kasa kra me ninhia bet me dina dina mama ni pen bi no enti ya adom keke papa enye bibia se ya akoma no ya dakoma dakoma
so woni kotokofo ne ne nyina sa time no nyina no say before we ba church ni man kasa no it's obvious say now was our talent no that kotokofo ne ne nyina de na ukushi awo enra mohana yesane kotoko danopon ono o New York be so ko Ghana no mo sane ni picture ena bukari picture poko frie ena kwa minti tomboya na Ember ena mo sane me na me hwe picture na saa me hu nipa be na Razak me hu nipa be miansa nti nipa no sane me na me sane friend say na hifa na me hu mu o say wo na wo kasa lo papa ne en say me organization na kasa de me kasa yeah ina be say 15-16 years ena nyame de adom no ba me nya adamfo bi ne e friend no Koku Asante. Na the nickname ye Chancha Hene. Wa binse ja. Oni muma. No nyame ye madom na oyadam fo. On the catch am say yaw. Se be bia ye do be wura bia no. Yo ho sa pa momone. Oni pa momone. Momone be bia no de ho agim.
Sa wo mu a me hu so wo mu. Wo mu ya. So oni mu a na wa twon. Sa asem no papa nka kire me no. I be ye adikasi ama me pa enti me krom se sa picnic ye bu he aso picnic no na me je bintam kra sa ta na me ko Pentecost na me ko Presby enti me ye picnic no what I did is say ye picnic na Monday na holiday na me ka kira aso nyina e ko bobo but before the ball no you need that me won su bi o friend atade me kru fie free atade ko ye adwuma wo kokodo do ho me ga organize ye ko do ho ansa na Monday ye bi hia bobol a che so grofo ni ji ya pa na ya me ye madom me cousin wonya no ba bi ko no Kumase no ma me betra na nche wo Kumase no ndie no ekotoko embenfo ni bia and through that no e ma me hia almost every prayer in Kotoko. Prayer bia at that time it 4 83 e koro de prayer bia poku afrie pokunti Chancha Hene omo nyina ye people I know them I can call them to say I'm not here enti sa na ko ye enti me two kwan be dru ha no so na say it's like oh at the corner baby obi wura bia nyame ya odo no wo hie ni pa bia nim no
oh yeah so last go by no bisa say who grow up no me hwa na we ha adwen pa na so be answer na
some say that me answer
but to say answer bi man ka be boy
So the same
oh, so okay, so I'm kind. Because that time we say now we a businessman. Sikawo, I'm fair. It will be that time because now cry and then that time when they compare let's say 25 years ago this are them oh had you crans and I'm free and I'm we are more to us in
them corporate be like I told you the other day no them corporate be better na oh yes
na then I'll share you
some more so me a presby ni pa
oh really
presby sorry the my copper and e wo mitum
and how to him and I'm sure than to
him yeah to pa me voice ndi
no okay
na me nye
voice and
but adi biara me ye se me bisa se Yesu ye na sa na se Yesu kan na sa e me best adi biara me ye se me se Yesu kan na sa na presby ye him ba ko ye ipa no Intino sa ye co presby so na make actually say picnic a no those days no picnic no me ye wo presby ani je ho but na ye kobia sa so ye kobia sa ndi utumi ye ni apese Sunday na minimum no Sunday asa Sunday da bin Sunday Sunday minimum bi se am tibe me ya nti ene de ya de am ye bet
ya keka ho no
minimum
no
da kra ha me hu bi kra da
nya plans over no bi da
adamfo bi na yes come in try but me feel
I'm tempted so no
kra me suro ya mommy ofie but ya de ni hwe me keke me ma me na me papa na me wofa na obi asabi odimu wo ikrom and na asema ka kire ofie no nyina che se eso hwe ho yi na wan vanum go ase bi amra busua no na me ko school se atia me se me mfa kwan we so a wo ye dan hu me hobiem da one day me di nkrofo bi achi en kran kan nya bone but mo fa me de we ba assembly Saturday na em ye be boom me wa assembly which I didn't like it and so nya bone o na nya bone ma nya bone ni na no say emrantie school da em say crab day and yi scan to boa ni ska ya no bi papa ba ko na papa ton ntwinam pero ku jibi ba na ye na che say mo fa fie kakra ne be ko wofufu no brantie ko wofufu di kama na o ba no mistake ye nse on firi afu ba na mo fa na yire ne makoy on ba no e wi fufu no nse nka ye be hyeda twa bia ma ne mana na so no akra na nka ya 7 kama ne ya trans ne di fufu no nyina papa say a mistake Sata mo fa so your teacher man e wo kromo a fa na ta de gu no kon ho no ko ka kire headmaster ta de cha no pa assembly kri bubo yediri mem na ante basics na de a mo de ye no ndi fina na me film no na ya mo de en sheda mo beta ni e be ka kire no wa unyane ma basa ya
and you won't kai specific how ya we share nyame like ya say wo fanya me serious
me fanya me serious ndi ameka say e New York me buy no e be dru America han me call Houston for 3 months when I'm kusie
oh okay
my sister in law ni kunu honam wondi honam koye ti me koye no mo de me nam Pentecost no ko Pentecost na me ko bi ni da 3 months and I'm back New York from Houston to New York. The New York no me cousin am kaso wu na no ekotoko yi no ho no no ma me ba na nche. And me buy no and I'm cost Pentecost for. Ndi
wani ho kan o.
Ehu o me ko na enwum ne sani am te me free ate kakra ndi be to o mo se no mo si to nwum na da am se we rie. Me nyai. Sata mba na de New York no me start call akata for aso bi am sada me kan ho asempo. E ma me no kra sofo no nua ba me na ko Ghana kra da na ko South Africa. Ti me ba bi hu Pentecost for no and I'm started change for. That was 1994. and me and Nico Bomasu.
Wow.
Yeah.
1994, no.
1994.
No bar so anymore compared to other churches our cogina, then a das on our Pentecost more Mauka, Mubaya, Deacon Bayer Elder, and a Posa Hora, and then a day pa and a dance on Pentecost.
Pentecost me buy no. A dear mamma need you pie, a munchra chap, a much roman who said, Obia ni Hokrana, Bibitoa. You can be on your own self.
You should be your own pastor.
And Papa, me papa, many Jim who Pentecost as a see our call retirement. Apostle Pucuna. Me pen and church and me. I wish I meet Makogan and meeting Kogan and Kujan Quambia. Come a bomber dance, Yamame, and can be Vincent. And church shortly by say Abraham Yankopon, Isaac Yankopon, Jacob Yankopon, or Yaminso, Yankopon. Papa, so I don't manage home. Because Ochema who said Yamino, quite who said come up Yamin Fasu Yin, which Abraham, yes, I know Yin, which Isaac. That's only Yin, which Isaac, and yes, I know Yin, which Jacob. Right. To me, Jacob send you Yamin, which Jacob. Yes, I know Yin, which I mean. Yamin, the Punimpu. Also, the Anna Dano share, and yes, I know the same thing. Biana, until me pencher chairman who said Yamino, with you, Bia. And I'm a man in Pentecost. I just said, Matimatama Bissine. Wow. And I have a good time. Now, Bibi or how I catch sorry, ma, and then call for whom as inspiration because our church in March, Pentecost, I work almost Ohio, especially there. Because why contribute in diverse ways. Make I those days, almost every month, and I be Bibiano. If I say gospel rock show and I be oh my study. That time when I started me MC those days, no. Now I'm meeting stars now. Because I say a boy baby because I built a confidence around that time. Young man, maybe I get him friends, only almost share and all those kind of near man a boy baby. And then another because we be our talent TBO, but on funny serious. I didn't say an organization there then. Who said go for our talent, but more news because they are narrate the talent. I there back who says how parable. When you're man, so no quafu. Sa parable your mind, acquire a man of Bakupe. So I said Bakupe is out. Yeah, Jericho. And to be our talent TB, but you didn't say an organization there. Okay. But organization a crowd in I saw an organization a group. Will be organized better than Akoso. Into a big crowd talent TB, but on funny serious, then I'll catch them. One sa talent no a year or some a juma. So be a person organizer and now a person organizing BBN. Then so who say Bre wumu biano, you take it. Because sometimes, like picnic here, then they can see me. Picnic, you shall see no. If you fear an apart be at 4 a.m. Saturday no. Maybe do fear 1:30 a.m. Sunday an apart. And some may be sorry. I say making sure some of my park no. Inti ese making sure say ye clean be bia wi enne no mrantia na mabawa no talent no bi wo hokura no mpeso ye no say ompeso obebre especially say obefrefre ni pe nyina say mumie nkodi agro ni be wi ni pe nyina be gya hɔ akɔ na ese wo clean be bia no ye ni pe nyina no bi tuma esa ena ade ba akoso no say te say ne say enne ye east Columbus East Side District inauguration. People were expecting say somebody like Eda Daku. He was the first presiding leader at the East Side. Me and Besha say me nimbrawa, but sometimes some teams said na nkola na do mo yes and time no musua de. But in the bibi nti kra na I don't know why. Minimo. But I don't cry into man financial say be but here no dey a yesha and the apostle can say any pan bi no ho a e bia no motu kwan ko ba bi bia na ya ntmanya right names no na fi be hwe na yakwa mistake nti ya be sha da foforo nkasa ni pan mi na dey me na fine da konkon akra dey at least na nkai me dey me no me dey obi be say me hwehwe sa nti obi no ho sa na man bu o mabam obi ho organize ne ma no duru ba bi na fe o hu se afi empese ye be hu se o ka ho kra and not a buna bam crown, cohubium cra. But me mentesa. And ne cry per se be, not see a fremia. But I never come my own when says, I'm Fremen so dear, me person me force me do come. I see a Fremen dear, you be a best friend who piano. Cacrams me in beyond the table. And in then only I make my advice, Cacram the Bema, and Ranty and my bow and say, and soon show oh, Bob, any pan. So, yes, you, ya, Dibby, Biana, Nippon who say organization. Tama oje abofrano empatano ne abodo no obchama nipa 5000 no unim so organization wo
break your into 50s
nti mu wie no enye ne chance na ne die ne keko so mu wie no ntum tase ani easy ntum tase remaining ones no so di mo bia so bia nko di ne ba bia ka bro bebre. But you organize your 50 no. We are Busian Biam, the Sian Mabo, Modiano, Huni, a kind of book at them. And a Juma, a yam soon. And my advice, I come to my rant and my boy and say, and so you must say, your media show Muna yet, and Fanny any pay yet. And when she does so. And so your media be out, I don't know, Mobia. Maybe Bunyam Empire say, or Maningu, or Massadingu. Nipa mo yes adna amo no so nipa na kekpe bi.
Wow. And waka papa ade a wo church ni mu hu no bi wo talent bi na on training who you see obi o feel say sami wo mu anyema ana bibi ana se bi o kra na discouragement ye no ye MC ni eme but you ko ye MC ni kra you don't even kai class of every word that was ana bibi one here no ka kan timi mu yeah but I believe say obi a get focus or what there onyamede ema no na mema won hwe nipa and the other aspect they say Africans so no you know how to honor people. Onipa na ebone dey obi abeka especially when the person is a leader. But say bia onipa no wa bre wade ne ho na bia edwie na bia ye dey bibi betu ne di betu abrofu any difference and they say they know how to ni sika nko ahun they know how to so mama odi alive forever. Ade bia hu hie bia e dey ato. And I think say yes so as Africans na see read the Bible Jesus Christ say oba no ababe oname before the day of my burial. Before the day of my burial, they are very critical. See, yani they were whom after the day of the person's burial. And you know, baby, really tribute. Come on. I na onipa no ho no. Instead am one no. Onipa no ho no until they are okay. And that thing say like okay no. Onipa na there no so me focus. And onipa na more no so no. They should also play their part by simple things. Be onipa no obe on now. Like obema who said na we ni so na ebi o high simple things I don't know then can like say nipa na o receive no on a part also play no
nipa na o receive no sometimes now you know one example Eastside Assembly and you can't sorry who asem Eastside Assembly me be president no na adia e dama kuma prosopa na say Ibinyam paibo Debbie I be trace you. That time no so for MP na no kroma. Enti any presbytery here and I'm sure say Wednesday na Friday. If say na pa paibo. Na presbytery J2. Enti koka kire sofo. Also a good idea. And I shall see. Enti me asane Wednesday no ma Eda Thomas Obin. Na de bia na me call adwuma Wednesday na pa me ni ho. But papa no de bia faithfulness. No. But me so de bia so me frɛ no. O kire me nipa dodo e baaye se ne ye na so ada na se. Me hye nkran papa. But nipa mpa so mbete. So cry na ukra so udi animu ma share some pipe nti ebuni pa bam asora ye no ese nipa be shem kran no nipa ebre nipa ase nti che grace che grace yes how adibia wo mu no so so fe nipa de ya papa mundu nya hwe ba me mum de samse me ya
we are focused
me ye
that's right
me nya so on frame ya na me ka choro we mu so unhia me de a but sometimes beautiful so adom no ho nti ya mfrɛ kra
na do ho agye
bɛyɛ esa me kwa me hu part a me play esa me hu part a me play nti sɛ ye ma me hu sɛ me ka ho ebi yin dia baba ɛne believe me de me hu nyina be hyem.
Oh yeah, because little things and then my organizations big. Holy Hills High way the same thing. Near my CEO or Yema and I'm there. You will say I will have for a very long time. And we keep on growing strong. Because of good leadership. But we believe that a church also has a lot to learn. Said near man to be or high appreciate it and when I am you know who say leadership we will be counting on you, say especially church, as it grows, young people, you take it over in the portfolio of presiding leadership, software and near my Honorable Carrington, Bishop Carrington said, God bless you, one of the people are appreciate you, be brave. And now him our kids to say, God bless you, my favorite elder. But, one of the things how I keep you going is people are there who support you. Sometimes over to one some money be your baby. Not discourage you, but they be no. I never quite mechanic say. Where they are, almost support.
Oh, yes.
No matter what the public will say about you. And those are the people who keep us going. That said, you better wrap it up interview. From time to time, you better cause your interviews now because the name of Papa will was public in it, especially organizational skills. Yeah, kind of for say this week, any Daughters of Glorious Jesus. There's going to be a powerful interview live at the studios. Last time, you need DSP, you need CSP, Kofi Sapon. I know your DSP said, your Chief Superintendent, Kofi Sapon. You know, a CSP. You didn't interview, and that was so beautiful. And once again, the same wishing a little sister, that your last born, Mary Sumwa, now, or your Mrs. Mary Evisa. I Mr. I to have a sword and Saturday cool school.
And your
business.
And the boo.
Your business. The vocabulary, but it's all good. And the Jacopo has to be brave. And I be able to crack a hands on my wrap up.
So say me be business. I'm catch on. Your campaign, mammy. Say me were cleaning company.
Oh, okay.
More cleaning company. Me name madam for me at a cleaning company. M&S Uganda Gold Cleaners. Your ties from your carpet, your cat landscape, your tea snow, be beer.
Wow.
Say I can't be my. Yeah, say big. Columbus, yeah.
Wow, and our Holy Hills Healthcare so. Yeah, very, very special. Yeah, we take care of health. Later one day, remember see you and customer become handsome. See you ever so life and our account. Because Holy Hills. We are making impact all angles. Everywhere we have conquer baby.
Amen.
Rental car, TV, winfa. Baby, I will be share. Yankopon Adam, you see you or the Efi Adam, call Adam. Yamin Shamo, I'm here. Pacho Medin, the elder Bismarck or Mariso Moy, and then elder Bafo, a former permanent leader for the whole nation. And there you are, Mr. Isaac Pinto, the control machines now. Am I Yamin Shamo?